Hello and welcome to today's video on 5 foods that boost testosterone. Testosterone declines as you age, but other factors can also cause low testosterone, including certain medications, high body fat levels, and some health conditions. A health-promoting lifestyle, including diet, is important for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Some studies have found that diets high in ultra-processed foods and low in nutrient-dense foods may reduce testosterone levels. Many nutrients, including vitamin D, magnesium, and zinc, are important for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. However, there's limited research investigating the impact of specific foods on testosterone levels. This video covers 5 foods that are rich in nutrients that may help promote healthy testosterone levels. Please subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in nutrients that are important for hormonal health, such as vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Even though certain high-fat foods, such as fried foods, have been linked to decreased testosterone levels in some people, research has also shown that low-fat diets may be detrimental for testosterone levels. A systematic review of 6 studies found that low-fat dietary patterns were associated with decreased testosterone levels, compared to higher-fat dietary patterns. However, the researchers noted that more high-quality studies are needed to fully understand this relationship. Regardless, adding healthy sources of fat like fatty fish to your diet likely benefits overall health, including hormonal health. What's more, fatty fish are good sources of zinc, vitamin D, and protein, nutrients that are important for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. For example, studies show that men with lower levels of vitamin D tend to have lower testosterone than men with higher levels. This is because vitamin D is essential for male reproductive health. Dark, leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens are an excellent source of micronutrients, including magnesium, a mineral that's critical for maintaining optimal testosterone levels, especially in older men. It's thought that magnesium increases testosterone bioactivity in the body because magnesium reduces oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is an imbalance between antioxidant defenses and free radicals in the body. Oxidative stress and inflammation can reduce testosterone, so introducing nutrients that combat oxidative stress may help maintain healthy testosterone levels. An older study in 399 men ages 65 or older found that those who had higher levels of magnesium in their blood had higher testosterone levels compared with those who had lower magnesium levels. Additionally, a study in Taiwanese men found that low intake of leafy green vegetables was linked to lower testosterone levels. Therefore, eating more magnesium-rich foods, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, may help promote healthy testosterone levels. Cocoa products. Cocoa products like cocoa powder and cacao nibs are high in magnesium and flavonoid antioxidants, both of which are important for testosterone. Flavonoids are plant compounds that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Studies suggest that certain flavonoids, including cocoa flavonoids like quercetin and apigenin, may help increase the production of testosterone from cells in the testicles called Leydig cells. When you shop for cocoa products, you may want to choose ones that contain no added sugar or only small amounts of added sugar. Consider cocoa powder, cacao nibs, or low-sugar dark chocolate for their impressive health benefits. Avocados. Avocados provide healthy fat, which is important for hormonal health. Plus, avocados contain magnesium and a mineral called boron, which studies indicate may benefit testosterone levels. Boron is a trace mineral that seems to influence testosterone metabolism in the body and may protect against testosterone degradation. Though some studies show that supplementing with high levels of boron may help boost testosterone in certain people, study results are mixed. More research is needed to fully understand how boron supplements impact testosterone. While it's not currently recommended to take boron supplements to increase testosterone, adding dietary sources of this mineral, like avocados, may help maintain healthy testosterone levels. Eggs. Egg yolks are rich in healthy fat, protein, and selenium, a mineral that acts as an antioxidant in the body. According to some studies in test tubes and animals, selenium may help enhance the production of testosterone by activating certain pathways and the expression of certain genes. Additionally, some studies in humans and animals have found that testosterone levels are higher in those with optimal selenium levels in their blood. However, we need more research, especially in humans, before we can draw conclusions about selenium's effect on testosterone. Eggs are highly nutritious, so adding them to your diet if they're not already a part of it is a good idea, unless you have an egg allergy. Remember that whole eggs are much more nutritious than plain egg whites, since the yolks contain most of the micronutrients. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.